Thank you for joining us for the presentation. I'm Anders Fung, and I'm the Senior Manager of Vortecks. And joining me here is the CEO of Vortecks, Daniel Matthews, and we're going to talk a bit about our company and also the product we're providing. So a little about Vortecks. Vortecks consists of 2 business individuals as well as 4 other engineers who have complementary skills and knowledge who's going to bring our product to success, which we're going to talk about more in detail later in our product section. Also, it is a small research and development company which focuses on creating new and innovative products for sports enthusiasts to improve their lifestyle. So a little about our mission. Vortecks plans to create tomorrow's affordable products and services to help tennis clubs, organizations, community centers, and tennis players to enjoy the game of tennis to its fullest in a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way. So to put this into more perspective, every year 300 million tennis balls are produced every year, and that constitutes around 22,000 tons of tennis balls being disposed of needlessly. So we have a solution to help not only reduce the cost associated with disposing these balls, also reduce the cost of purchasing new tennis balls as well. So a little bit about
So that solution, that's our product, and we call it the Tennis Ball Revitalizer. And what it is a patent-pending technology that uses heat and pressure. So basically what we're doing is in a container, we're putting our ball with greater pressure, and the air will go into the ball from the container of greater pressure into the ball. And we're using heat to speed up the process. This is an electronic device. All our competitors have an analog device that requires twisting, and so we're cutting down the manual labor. Secondly, our competitors have an impractical 4 months time for it to repressurize the ball, and we say we can do it within 1 day. As Anders mentioned, we're offering 2 solutions to our consumers. First, the customer will not have to keep on buying $5 set of tennis balls every time the ball loses its bounce. And second, they'll have an environmentally responsible choice of not contributing to the metric ton of waste for tennis balls. So we plan to sell this for $50 per unit in the first year and $60 onwards. And our market. So tennis is the fastest growing industry in North America compared to other traditional sports. And its annual growth rate is 12% from 2006 to 2007. And we want to target our product to tennis players at any skill level. But more specifically, we want to target our product to frequent tennis players. And these are tennis players that play tennis 21 times or more a year. And it's estimated there are 6 million in North America alone.
So a little bit about our competitors. From our competitive analysis, we've identified 3 direct competitors, which are Gexco, Tennis Ball Saver, USR Pressurizer, and Pump and Bounce. And all these require manual labor and also takes up to 6 months to repressurize. However, their primary purpose is actually to maintain the pressure within the containers and not repressurize. Also, indirect competitors we have identified to be potential substitutes of our product, which are pen pressureless balls, which are made of a different material, so the quality is not as good as traditional tennis balls. Rebounce, which is a service provided to users who want to dispose their tennis balls, and they take it and they resell it. Gamma's pressure cap, which is basically a cap where it requires manual labor to actually repressurize the container. And here's a little multi-dimensional positioning map for us. The blue outline is basically Vortecks, and the only thing we're kind of lacking is the price. We're pricing it at $50, relatively more expensive than our competitors. However, our performance is significantly better than our competitors. Ease of use, it's a 1-button activation, so after that it's no manual labor at all. Quality, we use quality materials that can withstand around 100 PSI and also 100 degrees. And capacity takes 6 balls, which is pretty much industry standard. A little bit about our marketing plan. For our pricing strategy, as mentioned, we're planning to enforce a trial pricing strategy. So we're pricing it at $10 lower than what we intend to, which is $50, to get the market acceptance rate a bit higher, because a lot of people might not adopt this product as soon as it launches. So that's kind of like an incentive. And a promotion strategy, basically marketing it worldwide through Google AdWords, launching our website, which facilitates sales and promote awareness. We're going to advertise through tennis magazines throughout North America, roughly 5 to 10 for the first year, and networking with associations, communities, and organizations linked with tennis. Regarding strategic development, for our short-term strategy, we plan to promote all over North America. What we realize in our primary research is that a lot of people don't know that this product exists or similar products exist, so we want to generate awareness to that. And also build customer value, because we're a new company, and what we're planning to do is continue to refine our product and redevelop it to improve on the past prototypes so that we can fulfill the customer's needs. Regarding our long-term strategy, we plan to produce a new product line, basically the second version of the tennis ball revitalizer, which is able to hold around 30 tennis balls, and this product is going to be targeted towards tennis coaches and also tennis communities who wish to recharge all their balls all at once. And also basically go global, because it's a huge market out there. We believe it's a fairly successful product, and it's going to have very, very wide market acceptance. And what we're going to do for that is basically hire a sales force who's going to facilitate all the sales and maintain the relationships with current and prospective customers. And, whoops, sorry. For financial plan. So we plan to be profitable within year 3, as shown by the diagram, and we plan in our 5th year to get 4.5% of our target market, which was 6 million frequent tennis players, and this would translate to net income in the 5th year to be 3.3 million. So what we're asking is for $350,000 for 40% of the company. All our founders, all 6 of us, have agreed to contribute $5,000 each, $5,000 each of our own funds, and this is what we plan to do with the $350,000. 5% we're going to use towards advertising, and as I mentioned, through the website, tennis magazines, and tennis magazines. 18% through administration, which is rent, utilities, legal fees, accounting fees, 10% equipment, 25% the raw materials, and 35% salary and sales for the salespeople and engineers, and 7% for the patent. And our exit strategy will be to eventually get acquired by a company that provides environmentally responsible goods. Yep. And also, a lot of the pending question is whether or not it works. So from our feasibility testing results, we're able to figure that within just 2 hours of using our product, we have an average around 1.5 centimeters increase in performance. And this is our product that's going to be taking us forward. And it's just basically a prototype, but we're going to advance forward from this. And that's basically it.